In this review we are going to talk about the best for tight budgets 3D printer Monoprice Select Mini. Recently updated to V2, this minimalistic and adorably small 3D printer delivered a solid job across the board. It retails at a fraction of the cost of any other model in our research, and does an acceptable job at printing in PLA. Unfortunately, it does not have a particularly large build area, is not the easiest to use, and can be exceptionally temperamental when using ABS filament. However, it is an absolutely fantastic option for someone just starting out, and doesn't want to spend a ton of cash, or for anyone else who on a tight budget